MicroStrategy's unstoppable 13-week Bitcoin buying streak just hit silence, and the market is panicking that the party is finally over. MicroStrategy has been under intense scrutiny for the last 13 weeks. They bought Bitcoin every single week. No breaks, no weekends off. It was a streak that felt unstoppable. But last week, silence. They didn't buy. This is the first time they've skipped a purchase since late December. You're likely checking your phone right now, wondering if the music stopped. Did the party end? Is the biggest buyer in the room finally done? Here's the reality. Michael Saylor usually posts an orange dot on X every Sunday as a signal that they are buying. Then, Monday morning around 8 a.m., he posts the receipt. Last week, the orange dot didn't show up. Instead, he discussed perpetual preferred equity, a method of raising capital differently. The buying streak snapped. They bought over 90,000 Bitcoin during that run. Now they are holding steady with about 762,000 Bitcoin in their vault, purchased at an average price of roughly $75,000. Their stock remains down about 76% from its November peak, and Bitcoin is hovering below $67,000. They aren't buying because the price is too high or because they are out of cash. They are pausing. Everyone gets bullish after one green candle, assuming the sky is the limit. But when the biggest whale stops moving, it raises questions. Are they waiting for a dip? Or are they done for now? There is another factor in the background. On Bitfinex, the number of traders betting on Bitcoin rising has hit a 28-month high. History suggests caution when everyone is this excited. It is often a contrary indicator. When everyone is long, the price tends to drop. With MicroStrategy pausing and retail traders piling into long positions, the market looks primed for a correction, or at least a breather. The market is noisy right now. Miners are selling Bitcoin to fund AI projects. Banks are entering the ETF game with low fees, and the government is discussing new rules for DeFi tokens. But the main headline is simple: MicroStrategy paused. Some interpret this as weakness, thinking Saylor is losing faith. That is unlikely. He has been buying for years and won't stop just because the price dips slightly. He is likely waiting for a better entry point, or simply taking a break from posting receipts. The truth is, nobody knows. That is the nature of this market. We see the data, make a guess, and wait. If you are holding Bitcoin, do not panic. If you are looking to buy, do not FOMO just because everyone else is. Look at the big picture. The trend is still up, but momentum is slowing. 1 week of silence doesn't mean the end of the world. It just means the rhythm changed. MicroStrategy paused, and the streak is over, but the game isn't. They still hold a massive amount of Bitcoin and believe in the long term. They are likely waiting for the right moment to strike again. Until then, we watch, we wait, and we listen to the silence. Sometimes, the quietest moments are the loudest signals. Keep your eyes open and don't let the noise distract you. The market is still moving, it just changes speed sometimes. Stay calm. Stay informed.